Hey guys, Keely Reason here, owner of LoveBigVenture.com, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you. I just got a new product. Let me pull this out. These are morning routine cards. Okay, I'm going to put the link for these down in my bio, or down in the video description, and then I will do a review on this product here pretty soon. I'm going to do it for a few days so I can just make sure that this is a good thing for you guys to check out, and just give you some feedback on how to do it. So if you're not a morning routine person, which I'm not much of a morning routine person, at least not personal investment. I have a lot of things I do in the morning to get myself productive, but I'm really looking forward to this because I think it's going to help me start out with the right mindset every day. And listen, when you start out with the right mindset and you start out well in your day, then it's just going to make you better as a person, better as a partner or a spouse, or in your relationships, or a parent or worker, whatever that looks like. So these cards are meant for you to just write on. It makes it very easy. And check it out in the link in the description. And I look forward to sharing my full review with you soon.